This instructional video will cover the basics of installing Vintage View WS Series racks. To begin, measure the width of your wall and determine your starting point, whether you want to work from the middle out or from one side to the other. Either way, you will need to allow a minimum of 2 3/4 inches from any adjacent walls to the center line of the first strip. From there, measure 7.5 inches to the center line of the next strip. If installing multiple columns, mark 5.5 inches over from the center line of the next strip. Repeat the pattern, marking off 7.5 inches, then 5.5 inches for all of your remaining columns. Once your wall is marked off, install the first strip. You may use either a base or a neck strip to start with, as this determines the direction the necks of the bottles will point. Ensure that each strip is plumb or vertical before securing to the wall. In this installation, we have a wood backing to screw into. However, if you are attaching directly into drywall, we recommend the use of appropriate anchors such as spiral inserts. This type of anchor screws into the wall and allows you to tighten a screw into the pre-drilled hole as demonstrated here. If you are going to stack racks, remove the installed end plug and replace it with one of the provided couplers. You will also need to remove the end plug from the bottom of the rack being installed above and then slide the rack into position onto the coupler. These couplers ensure that your racks are properly aligned during installation. Once the upper racks are in proper position, securely fasten them in place. All that's left to do is snap the provided mounting hole covers into place to finish the installation. Just load the racks, stand back, and enjoy the Vintage View.